Did all the interior lights on your 2014 to 2018 Mazda 3 stop working at once? The problem is very likely just a bad fuse, and the good thing is we have a spare fuse with us in the car. So let's go ahead and get started. Open the driver's side door, and now right where the driver's left foot would go, there's the primary hood release lever. It even has a sticker on it. That's the one right there. Just grab it and pull it lightly. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of that Mazda emblem there, that's for the secondary hood release lever. So lift up the hood slightly, and you need to put in your index finger and push it right. So push it right and open up the hood with your other hand. Now this hood requires a prop rod to support it. So that's a prop rod. Let's get it out. And we need to put it in the hood with the slot that has an arrow mark in it. That's the one right there. Let's get a closer look. So once the rod is in, just let go of the hood, and now the hood is secured in place. Now once the hood is open, right there, that's where the fuse box is. Press those two ends there and the cover comes off. Right behind the cover, that's where the fuse diagram is. What is also there is the fuse puller and those 4 spare fuses. That's all we need for this video. That's it. That is good news. Now let's get the fuse puller and locate where the room lamp is. Room lamp, interior lamp, it's just a different name. 15 amp, we have a spare fuse, so that's good. It's the 5th fuse from the bottom on the leftmost row, right? That's the one right there. Let's check it against the fuse diagram again. Right there. Good. Now let's get the fuse out. Once you get the fuse out, let's see what happens to the lights. In this car, the fuse was good, so the lights are gone. So now I know that the fuse, in fact, is for the interior lamps. Now compare the old fuse against the bottom left image over here. The left side fuse is a bad fuse, and the right side fuse is a good fuse. See the metal strip over there in the middle? It's broken on the left one, and it's good. It's connected on the right side one. Let's get the fuse, put it back in there, and the lights are back on. That's pretty much it. Once you're done, let's not forget to put the fuse puller back in its place so you don't lose it. Now let's put the cover back on. Right. That looks good. And that is pretty much it. In order to close the hood, first you need to push it. Get the prop rod out of there. Put the prop rod back in its place. Now simply lower the hood and slam it shut.